All right, so the very first thing we're going to do is establish the layering on top. So you can see I've got a center section in the middle of the top of the head, which I'm coming straight up, and this is going to be the length for the rest of the top. That is my guide for the rest of the layering for the top. And then I'm going to take sections to right here, taking a section straight up, and you can see I can see that section that I cut. Now I'm basically just matching the rest of the top to be the same length as that very first section that I cut. You can see it right there. The difference right there. And so I'm basically just matching the rest of the layering on top to match that very first section. Now, once we complete the layering on the top, we will start to address the layering on the sides and back. Alright, so now that we've completed the top, it is time to do the layering on the right side. As you can see though, I'm first establishing an outline for the right side, basically combing the hair straight down and cutting a length where I want the outline to sit. Once I've established that outline, then we will dive into taking sections for the layering. Okay, I've got a section right now just above the ear. You can see I am now taking sections, over-directing each section to the previous section. That very first section that I cut is the guide for the layering throughout the entire sides and back. You can see right there, I'm working my way to the back of the head. And once I've completed cutting the hair on the right side, we will then do the haircut, the layering I should say, on the left side of the head. Alright, so now that I've completed the layering on the upper half, I should say the upper half of the right side and back, it is time to do the layering on the upper half of the left side. And what I mean by upper half is the layering above the ear. I have not cut below the ear, so as far as the back layering, I've only cut above the ear. So I still have to go back and do the layering on the lower half of the back. Alright, so now it is time to cut the lower half of the layering on the right side. As you can see, I am now cutting the lower portion of the right side. And basically once I've completed this, I will continue on to the back. Alright, so now that I've completed the lower half of the right side, I am now addressing the layering on the lower half of the right back side. And then, once I do this, I will do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, so now I am doing the layering on the lower half of the left side. You can see I'm working my way to the center. So typically when I do layering, short layers, I will work my way to the center back from the right side and then work my way to the center back from the left side, and I meet just right there in the middle of the center back. Alright, so we've come to the end of this short layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the hair has a lot of texture. We dressed it with some pomade. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.